Hi, I'm going to show you how to make these squares around a puff stitch flower. The puff stitch flower is already done in a different video. If you haven't seen that one yet, it's listed down below. I'm only showing the square to go around the puff stitch flower because the flower I've already done in a previous video. And this can be done in any type of yarn, but preferably a medium type of yarn, or even a fine would work. Just depends on what type of yarn you used for your flower. I used an H hook. You can go up a hook size or down a hook size depending if you want to go bigger or smaller. But with an H hook it measured 3.5 inches. The pattern for the square is listed down below as well. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, to get started I'm going to create a slip knot onto my hook. Then with the flower, I'm going to go right into the single crochet with a slip stitch. And then I'm going to work a single crochet and then a chain 3. And then I'm going to go into the next single crochet and work a single crochet. And then another chain 3. And just repeat that all the way around until you get to the beginning. Now this is the last one. I'm going to slip stitch in that last stitch to complete for this round. This is creating a foundation for the square. It's going to look like this in the back. Slip stitch right into the chain 3 and then chain 3, work a double crochet one more time for a total of 3, including the chain 3, and then chain 1, and then work a double crochet and then a treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, work another treble crochet, chain 1, 2 more treble crochet, and then a double crochet, and then a chain 1. It's going to look like this: double, 2 treble, chain 1, 2 treble, double crochet, and then a chain 1. Now work 3 double crochet in the next chain 3 space, and then this is the pattern. You repeat between those two around, and it will create the square. Chain 1 and then work a corner, which is a double crochet, 2 treble crochet, chain 1, 2 treble crochet, double crochet, and chain 1, and this is the pattern. You just alternate between those two, the corner and then the 3 double crochet until you get to the beginning. So now you're working 3 double crochet in the chain 3 space. Okay, so it's going to start creating a square. Chain 1, work the corner again, double crochet, 2 treble, chain 1, 2 treble again, and 2, and then 1 double, and then a chain 1. It's going to look like this, and then 3 double again in that next chain space, chain 1 and work the corner again, chain 1 and slip stitch on top of the chain 3 to complete. Now that your square is complete, you're going to fasten off and weave in your ends. Okay, now you're going to fasten off. You can slip stitch into the next stitch or just fasten off. You can pull through, take your yarn needle and weave in your ends. Okay, this is complete now. Thank you for watching. The written pattern is down below, and please subscribe.